So guys, for the first step, you want to disconnect all USB devices, whether that be external hard drive, SSD, USB sticks, any printers or scanners, any game controllers or VR gear, any USB hubs and whatever's connected to them, any Bluetooth adapters, any webcams, or any USB Wi-Fi. You want to disconnect all your external USB drives, apart from your mouse and keyboard, so we can carry on with the next steps in the video. Once you've disconnected all of that, for the second step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. Once that's been done, now you want to type in dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health, and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.